Hi, llama children! This is not the actual server for the IP, but this is just the map we are using for the IP. Yes, look at it. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. And what might be wondering, isn't this supposed to be birch? Well, I changed it because I was using the texture pack back then. That was furniture and my whole roof was microwaves. But who cares about that now? So, today is the day everyone's been waiting for. Today is recording day. You guys may be wondering, what the fudge is recording day? Recording day is the day that we make episode 1. Episode 1 is coming today in about an hour if Tennis doesn't hate me. This is my skin. My name is Aaron, of course. I'm Queen Eye the Fox. This is Bella's house, but it has not everything Bella has. Is that stuff though? That's Norman's house. That's Lizzie's house. That's Owen's house and Ian's house. Well, Skylar's house. Oh wait, no, that's someone else's. This is Alice's house. And my house, of course, is that lovely thing. It doesn't have oak wood though. So, my kitchen, my bookshelf, TV, then upstairs, my room would be actually right there. Yeah, but I made it different here. But it's fine. And yeah, if you guys want to sign up, you can still sign up. We still need people for episode 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and all the other episodes. The series may be short because who knows if I forget about it someday. If I do forget about it, guys, I'll remember it by looking on Discord. Well, that's just a reminder for y'all. See y'all in the next video, which is gonna be today. So good, floofing, bye.